Welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you guys the new updates with the new AI tool which is the Generative Fill in Photoshop and how we can use it to create some crazy things inside Photoshop already. So let's get started. Okay guys, in our first example in here, we have this nice sunset image, but unfortunately, as you guys can see in here, this image is taken vertically. What if I need to use this for a landscape design? Okay, all we need to do is first we need to unlock this layer. Okay, I'm going to minimize this and then I'm going to use the crop tool in here and then I'm going to make the artboard wider. All right, alt and maybe whatever the size we want. Now all we need to do is select this empty area with part of the original image. This area will do the same for other side as well, and then just need to click on the generative fill. In the prompt you can just leave it empty and just select generate. AI will automatically understand this part and it will generate the image for you. Nice. So as you guys can see in here, it already created this landscape and it continue this water, the sea and the sunset, even the cloud, everything is perfect. Not only that, you always get 3 options as well. So if you guys go in here in the properties tab, we have option number 1, number 2 and number 3. Okay, so I like the number 3. I can stick to the number 3 and all these images will be placed on top of your original image with the mask in here. You can see, so you guys can go in and edit further if you guys want to. Okay, great. Now let's do this for a little bit more complex image. In here I have little bit more complex image also taken vertically. Let's say if I want to expand this image same as earlier, again I'm going to double click to unlock the layer and then let's use the crop tool and expand this image something like this. All right, you can have a specific size. I'm just here randomly making the size and then let's go in and select the selection tool and place it in the empty area and also in here as well. Now I'm going to click on the generative fill and generate. Wow, nice. And in here also we have 3 options. Okay, option number 2, option number 3. And if you guys notice, even it's keeping the focused area. In our original image, you guys can see this area is focused and these areas are a little bit out of focus. And if I click on the generated image area, you can see it continued the same depth. In here, all these areas, even this part is focused. This area is focused. And when you go further, you can see it's continuing like a photograph. All these areas are out of focus. This is really, really great. Okay. Now, let's see another example. This one is a city photograph with a night lighting. Let's say if I want to expand this image even more further. So let's go in and make it even more wider. Okay, something like this. All right, now I'm going to select this portion and then this portion and let's create the generative fill and see. Not bad, not bad. Let's see other examples in here. Okay, this look even better. And the last one, yeah, this look perfect. So as you guys can see, now you can create anything from a simple image. Okay, this is just a start, guys. I'll show you guys a little bit more examples, what else you can do with this. All right, so now in here we have a girl carrying a cat. Okay, so I'm going to select the cat first. For this, I'm going to use the object selection tool. And in here, I'm going to select the cloud detailed results. And I'm just going to simply select the cat. Okay, so which will select the cat. And then for this, in the generative fill, I'm going to click here and add a prompt. Okay, let's say I want a lion instead of cat. Something crazy, right? Just type lion and generate. Let's change the cat to lion. All right. This is crazy. And you guys can see even the fur, fleur, everything look perfect. You can see some cut off areas in here. But if we can just change, yeah, I mean, it look not bad, not bad. Remember, guys, this is still in beta. So actually, this is not that bad, all right? Because of the background and everything, this look okay, all right? Okay, let's hide this. Again, I'm going to go back and select the cat. Let's say change to dog. As you can see, wow, this is crazy. Nice. Okay, so AI is going to change the way we are going to work. All right, so let's see another example. All right. So in here we have a cup and a salad. A woman is eating it. So let's say I want to change these items. Okay. I'm going to select the cup first. And in the generative field, I'm going to say change to glass and coffee. All right. And let's generate. Nice. You can see it has changed our original image to coffee, and we have a couple of options in here. And then let's select this one again. I want to change this to probably change to cereal. Nice. It also added some leaves to the cereal as well. So since this is a cereal, let's say I want to change this to spoon. Let's see. Nice. So again, you will get three options. Maybe this is better. And when you click on these previously generated images, you can always change back in here as well. Okay, whatever suit for your needs. And if you guys notice, it also keep the depth and the focus area and outdoors focus area, everything as it is. And this is just the beginning, guys. This is nothing. You can create image from nothing as well. I'll show you guys an example. I'm going to create a new document in here. Let's keep it web size, maybe HD size. All right. Now in here, this is just a blank image. Let's say I want to create something. I just need to first select the area where I want the image. So I'm going to select the entire artboard and then select the generative fill. In here, let's say I want a beach with sand. I just need to type beach with sand and blue sky and just generate. As you guys can see, it has given me three different images with sands and the beach, whatever I ask for. And then we can add in more. Select area in here and I'm going to type boat. All right. Nice. And we have a couple of more options. And let's stick to this option. And then in here, I'm going to say beach house. All right. Okay. Mm, yeah, I like this one. It look more perspective based on the angle, and then I'm going to add in trees. All right. Okay. It understood how I wanted it, but this tree doesn't look like it's supposed to be in the beach. Let's add in palm tree or coconut tree. Yeah, coconut tree is better. All right. Let's see other examples. I think this one looks better compared to others. And I also need to add some more coconut trees in here. All right, not bad. And we have a couple of more options. Okay, this look nicer. And as you guys can see, this is not perfect, but we have created this from nothing. Okay, this is just one example. So finally, I will give you guys one more example in here. So basically, you can create anything you want inside Photoshop using AI, same like you design in Firefly or Midjourney. Okay, so in this last example, I'm going to select this artboard again in the generative fill. Let's say uh, astronaut walking on the moon. All right, and then space station in the background. All right, let's generate. As you can see, it has created what we asked for. And yes, it's not perfect like the mid journey yet, but this is still in beta version. Probably a couple of versions later, when they introduce to the actual Photoshop, this will be much more better, and we may have more control. But as far as photo editing goes, in here and in here, we can do much more already. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.